In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automatically sync video and audio in CapCut PC. To begin, I have a screen recording over here. I'm going to drag my screen recording to the timeline. I have the same audio, but I've recorded it with a different device. So what I'm going to do is to randomly place this audio separate. To sync this, I'm going to highlight them both, right-click, and hit Synchronize Video and Audio. And automatically, if I come now and hit play, you can hear that they both sync and increase the scale over here. Now, the next thing I like to do is to take out these excesses. So I'm going to select this clip over here and drag out this excess portion. Select this video clip over here and drag out this excess portion. Lastly, highlight both clips over here and right click and select create compound clip, or you can just hit the keyboard letter G. And that's it guys for now to auto sync video and audio in CapCut PC.